I don't think this matter, once it is challenged in a court of law, can be able to stand the test of time. Because this was a matter that had very underwhelming evidence. There is nothing that would have been called an impeachable offense, in my opinion. If you say that you're impeaching him because he said that Kenya is a shareholding company, who is the appointing authority? That impeachment should have come from the president, not really for the deputy president, because the deputy president does not appoint ministers, does not appoint ambassadors, does not appoint PSs. Where does he come in terms of the action of that shareholding? So I'm sure he shall be able to get his justice in court. We actually feel, especially the people from the region called Mount Kenya, we actually feel very betrayed by the current administration, because even Uhuru Kenyatta, who was seen as a very bad president, never pushed President William Ruto when he was his deputy to the level of removing him from office. He tolerated him because he knew he had been elected with him. They were together in the same ticket. How would it be that a person who has been elected by 6.7 million people has now been removed by about 53 people who have not, in my opinion, not done it out of their own will, not done it out of their own concerns, not done it out of the interrogation of the evidence that was here. They have done it out of coercion, out of intimidation, and other factors and many other things that have been done in that house.